it's Sandra, and it's my favorite time of the month, and that I'm going to do my giveaway. So today I am going to show you the 2 plates that I'm going to give away, and they're both Halloween related. So I thought I'd get these out now. I did buy some cool stuff though, but I'll give that away later when it's not close to Halloween. So anyway, the 2 plates I'm going to give away are Yes Maniology. One is M062. And this is like one of my favorite ones. There's, I have a lot of favorite plates, but there's ones that I use more than others. And I really like this one. I really like the Frankenstein here. And I love the zombies. I just had these zombies on my fingers with the pink and the red brain stuff. So I love this plate. I use it all the time, every year. So Maniology M062 is the first plate I'm giving away. And the second plate that I am giving away is Maniology M245. And this is kind of like the old-fashioned, I'm going to put this down like this, old-fashioned kind of stuff. And it's a really cute plate. I love the moons on here. This ghost is my favorite ghost. My favorite. And then we've got the skeleton with the pumpkin head. And just a lot of cool designs on this one. So those are the 2 plates that I'm going to be giving away. And the rules of this giveaway are you must put enter me or enter or however you get enter on there in the comments. And you must be a subscriber. If I pull your name and you're not a subscriber, then I just go and I do the random picker again. So everybody has to have their enter me in before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 27th. And then what I'll do is either on probably on Saturday or Sunday, I'll pick a winner. And the winner, all they have to do is email me with their mailing address, and I will send this out as soon as I get their address. So there you have it. That's all you have to do. Enter me. Your enter me has to be in by the 27th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's a Friday. All right. So good luck to everyone and have a wonderful September. I won't be talking to you about this giveaway until the end of September, which will be very sad because that means fall is, we're almost through fall. And then comes Halloween, which is always fun, but I do love the fall season. So there you go. Thanks for watching my channel and good luck.